There. The ones that aren't colors of the color. Oh, there it goes. I can feel it vibrating. Whoa, he's already dead. They're all in that room now. And they'll never get out now because there's none to push the door open for them. What? Oh my gosh. Then the slow ones need to be in there. Well, that won't help now. Oh! I'm closing up the race track because I want them back going in here. The purple's coming. Aww. The white one made it stop coming. Oh, they want to come in. Let them in. Yes! Yes! Oh, I'm the only one here. Oh. Hi, guys. Great, you locked us out. I hope they don't fall off the edge. Hey, that wasn't nice. That black one's playing rough. Look at Mommy. There's the race, and here's the bridge, and there's the regular.
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
And there's still 5 more kinds I don't have.
Oh my God, you guys are kidding. I thought after today there'd only be 4 that you don't have.
Oh yeah, 4, that's right.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Okay.
The purple's almost completely dead. What? They locked each other out. That's not very smart.